Hi there, welcome back. And to continue our discussion or review about the anatomy of human digestive system, here we have the process undergoing whenever you eat the food, what will happen to it. So I have here the four major processes involved, and let's discuss one by one, beginning with ingestion. So ingestion means that you are taking in food. Get a food, put it inside your mouth, chew it. That is ingestion. So obtaining nutrition and energy from food is a multi-step process. Remember that. For animals, the first step is ingestion, the act of taking in food. And even in animals, even in humans, I mean. So the large molecule found in intact food cannot pass through the cell membranes. That's hard. So the food needs to be broken into smaller particles so that animals can harness or human can harness the nutrients and organic molecules. So when you place it in your mouth, you are starting to ingest it. You are starting to chew it. The first step in the process is ingestion, like what I said, taking in food. Once it is in the mouth, look and observe that the teeth, the saliva, the tongue play important roles in the mastication of the food, preparing the food to turn it into a bolus before you swallow it. And then, mastication or chewing is an extremely important part of the digestive process, especially for fruits and vegetables. You have to chew it, as these have indigestible cellulose coat, which must be physically broken down. So you really have to chew it thoroughly. Also, the digestive enzymes only work on the surfaces of the food. So the smaller the particle, the more efficient the digestive process happens. The reason why you have to chew the food thoroughly. While the food is being mechanically broken down, the enzymes in the saliva begin to chemically process the food as well. And then, the combined action of these processes modifies the food from large particles to a soft mass that can be swallowed and can travel the length of the esophagus. Next thing to happen. Now that you swallowed, you chew the food, you swallowed it. Next thing to happen is digestion. Digestion is the mechanical and the chemical broken down of food into small organic fragments. Mechanical digestion refers to the physical breakdown of large pieces of food into smaller pieces, which can subsequently be accessed by digestive enzymes. Then, chemical digestion will happen next, and there are enzymes already present. In chemical digestion, enzymes break down food into small molecules that body can use. So from the mouth, it will happen. In the stomach, it will also happen. Chemical digestion. After that, absorption. The large complex molecules of protein, polysaccharides, and lipids must be reduced to simpler particles before they can be absorbed by the digestive epithelial cells, like the cells that we have in the small intestine and some part of the large intestine, followed by elimination. So not all the food will turn into some or can be absorbed. Some of them remains in their state of being a solid, big solid particles, and they are being undigested by our digestive system. They will then turn or they need to be eliminated from our body. Undigested food enters the colon, the large intestine, where water is reabsorbed into the body and excess waste is eliminated from these. So then again, to generalize all those processes, beginning with ingestion, when you place your food inside your mouth, ingestion will happen. So mechanically, chemically, Digestion is the next process after ingestion, then followed by absorption, and the last thing to happen is elimination. So I hope you learned something minded of these processes involved in our digestive system. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.